Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Flip app. If you have sound problem, just go directly open the settings of your phone. Click on apps option and search for Flip. Click on it like this. Scroll down here this list, click storage, click clear cache only. Back right now, click on force stop and click OK. And go to Play Store or App Store and update Flip. After updating the app, restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you in another tutorial.